смерть.
Такое бывает, когда на тебя охотится монстр в маске.
Never could believe what I became. I gave my everything for all the wrong things. In this cold reality I made this welcomed war machine. Oh, this has become hell. How can I share this life with someone else? I promise you there is no weight that can bury us beneath the ghosts of all my guilt. Here in the dark side of me, here in the dark side of me. Oh, I couldn't give you what you needed. It's all my fault. Oh, too coward to believe I lost it all. Here in the dark side of me, here in the dark side of me. Oh,
I'm being torn apart. I want to be free of this pain. I know what I have to do, but I don't know if I have the strength to do it.
It's too late now to stop the process. This was your choice, you let it in. This double life you lead is eating you up from within. 1,000 shards of glass you pushed beneath my skin as you ripped it all apart. That's when I turned to watch you. And there's a light in you in dark. I saw you turn to shadow. If you would salvage some part of you that once knew love, but I'm losing